We're here at the room, and here we go. You ready for the room tour? This is a $65 a night room in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. We've already taken a peek. We cheated. Here we go. Very colorful. We've just arrived at the Lucentia Residences. The room is known as The View. This is in Kuala Lumpur, and we just arrived. So I'm going to flip this around so you can so far, absolutely beautiful. Outside here, there's great views of the city, and I think the view that we have up in our floor is going to be an amazing, absolutely amazing view. So our person is going to come down and meet us in the lobby, give us the keys, and then we're going to head up to the 35th floor. So look at this place. Very nice. We're here at the room, and here we go. You ready for the room tour? This is a $65 a night room in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. We've already taken a peek. We cheated. Here we go. So this is the room. This is the lobby area here. We come in and we get to see my awesome shirt, by the way. My daughter got me this quite a long time ago for my birthday because I like Adventure Time. Even though I'm a fucking adult, I act like a kid, and I like Breaking Bad because I'm an adult. Sometimes I like adult stuff too. Thank you, Alex, for the shirt. All right, we have the kitchen right here, which is very nice. Cups, stove, refrigerator. All right, you guys ready? If you've been following along, playing the home game, I have been trying my hardest to find a place with a washer and dryer that actually has a washer and dryer. Every place says they has it, none do. Thank you. They actually have a washer and dryer. Very excited for that. If you watch my video on tips, always look for a place with a washer and dryer. You don't have to pack nearly as much. Here's the bathroom. Very nice bathroom. Shower. Hopefully this shower has hot water. There's a toilet with a hose. I don't know why people want to drink out of a hose attached to a toilet, but I don't know. I'm not gonna. That's all I know. All right. Bedroom. Here is the bedroom. Nice bedroom. There is fans, a TV, which we won't use. There is, oh, look at, there's a Khmer girl right here. Hi, this is Sophia again. Hi. All right. Oh, we have all this stuff over here, which very nice. She's trying to hit the lights. There's ceiling fans in here too. Artwork, couch, TV. And are you guys ready for the reveal? This is called The View, and this is the reason why. Bam. Check this out. Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. Unbelievable. This is the most spectacular view I've ever seen in my entire life. This city is unbelievable. They are building the most gigantic towers you can imagine. You can't really see it, but you can kind of see it on the corner, like the left side. That is the second largest building in the world right there. We will maybe go to it. I don't know. I have a thing about heights. Standing next to buildings like that make me want to die. So maybe we will, maybe we won't. In the background, the Petronas Towers. I can't remember the name of that, but that used to be the biggest tower here in the city. The weird round one that kind of reminds me of the Capitol Records building in Seattle. And look at that. So this is Kuala Lumpur. Now, this room costs $65, which is dirt cheap for this room. Not the biggest room in the world, but that's all you need. this view, you can get very cheap rooms in Kuala Lumpur. $30 a night for amazing places. Spent a little extra because of that view. I'm gonna take some good videos and photos from it. And all right, so this is it. And we'll check back in after, once we are settled in, maybe towards the end, and we'll give a wrap up for this room review. So unfortunately it's raining, but I wanted to show you the freaking amazing pool. We might have to come out here again when it's not pouring out, and it's a little chilly, believe it or not. All right, so this is an infinity pool on the top, the 35th floor of this, and it is got one hell of a freaking view. Look at that. I'm doing this just in case I'm not able to come back out again. If I am, I'll just redo the video, but look at that. So you can come swimming out here at night and go right up to the edge of the freaking building and look at the skyline. Oh my God. Look at this view. We are here on the final night at the Lucentia Residences in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And you saw the room review. I'm here with Sophia. This is our last night, so I'm gonna do the wrap up now. Is the room worth it? For $65 a night, you saw the room you get. Plenty of room, 2 people. More than 2 people might be pushing a little bit, but whatever. This is the view you get, as I've shown many times already. One of literally the best views in all of Kuala Lumpur. You have the KL Tower, you have the Twin Towers over there, and it is just amazing. You have a balcony, own private balcony. You have a rooftop pool that overlooks the entire city with an amazing view, and you're in the heart of the city. Now, you can go walking around. You are directly in one of the Chinese areas, but you will need a cab to get pretty much anywhere outside of that, or a Grab. So, how do I feel about this apartment? I freaking love it. It's probably one of my favorite ones I've been in. Outside of a very unique one I stayed in Florence, which was 500 years old. Beautiful, but it had its issues. This is a modern one with modern amenities. If you're coming to Kuala Lumpur, definitely try to get into this place. I will link it down in the comments, the description section, excuse me. If you want to rec directly from these people, Gary, the crew here is outstanding. Any questions I had, they answered right away, and they were very accommodating. For $65 a night, you cannot beat that in Kuala Lumpur, and 100% go for it. This has been Drake for That Big Bearded American Tourist. I hope you've enjoyed these room reviews. Please like and subscribe. I have over 60 videos now and many, many, many more to come. So there's gonna be something for everybody. We do room reviews, lounge reviews, restaurant reviews, and travel reviews. So keep an eye out for them. And the Kuala Lumpur one is coming up very soon. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it, and I'll catch you later.